Hello guys and welcome back to the Hunters Prestige YouTube channel. We're back with another Hunters build. So it's a new day, the sun's out in Thetford, we've got a new car in for a Hunters build. This is a P400E 110. It's a pretty specced out car with a full black pack and deployable side steps. Let's get it inside for some Hunters magic. Hello mate. We get it almost every night when the moon is in. Right, so we're going to pull the cover off. Yeah. If you want to help me grab it, so if you grab from one side, I'll grab from the other. Yeah. And we'll just keep pulling it.
Okay.
And we'll go from there.
Sounds good.
Ready?
Yeah.
Let's go. It's a big sheet.
Wow.
And very, very bright lights.
And very bright.
Gosh, it looks completely different, doesn't it?
It certainly does.
So we've I had 4 guys working on the car today.
Yes.
We've done a lot of work to it to get it to looking as it does now. Obviously we've got the pod lights on now, but shortly after we'll show you what the front looks like, because you've got a line package on there, so you've got DRLs, you've also got the LED grow light and side vents as well, so all come up really, really nicely. Yeah. People definitely see you coming when you're driving down the road at night. So obviously we've just done the fronts, we've got the DRLs on the front. You already had a black pack on here, but I think with all the accessories you picked on the front, it just beefs out a little bit more.
It does. It looked a bit weird with just missing fog lights, a little hole in it. Yeah.
So they're a very new product that we've just released probably about a month and a half ago. Very, very popular. And they're available for both customers with the DRLs on fog lights and then also people that have the blanks there as well. So they're cross-compatible and they work really good. And again, the whole light package works really well on the front of the car. Obviously you've got the checker plate already in gloss black. Yeah. So the actual mirror covers also being in gloss black, which we've added as well. Yeah. Obviously your car's ceramic coated as well. So from the dealer you've got the X guard. So whenever we stick anything on, because obviously most of the products are 3M taped on, so we have to do like a hard polish and then we clean it up, promote it. So it's maximum protection on there. Okay. So you've obviously got a very high spec car as from standard with a full black pack on there and deployable side steps. We rarely get a customer in with the deployable side steps already. So it's good to see. You've got lots of the accessories for Expedition as well. So you opted in for a 110 roof rack. You've also got a gear carrier and the ladder as well. So we always show customers how we open and close the ladders and the gear carrier, just because there's certain ways of opening it, and if you do it wrong, sometimes things can get damaged. Right. So when you open it, nice and easy. They're quite stiff when you open them, as factory from Land Rover. So open it with 2 hands, and it releases like so. And then onto the gear carrier on this side, as simple as literally just putting the key in, twist and the lock, and then it's now open. You've got a latch on there, and it's got a security latch as well, so it does take a little bit of weight to actually blow it down, so wind won't just knock it down in your hands or anything like that. Okay. But when you go to shut it, you don't actually need the key in. There's a lot of people always get confused. If you put the key in, it doesn't shut properly sometimes. Right. It's got soft close as well, so it doesn't close and slam straight away, and then you just click it. It's nice and easy. You got any idea of what you're going to store in there yet?
I figure wet stuff.
Okay, yeah.
That's the idea.
You've got P400E, so most people put their charger cables in there and things like that.
That's not a bad shout.
Well, it's not a bad idea.
Yeah, there's no room underneath the boot for this.
No, you've got too big of a battery in the load space, so yeah. But it's definitely...
Charger cables and wet stuff. Yeah. What could go wrong? Yeah.
Towards the back of the car, obviously we've got a spoiler on there, which just finishes it off. Nearly every customer that comes to us now has a spoiler. It's like we don't see them without spoilers anymore, and then when we do, they look really weird. Yeah. But they just finishes it off nicely. So you've got the newer replacement panel spoiler as well, so there's no raised bit. It doesn't look like it's stuck on. It's a nice OEM finish look as well. It's protected towards the rear as well, so following through the checker plate theme on the wing mirrors, you've got a bumper protection strip, a V2 gloss black, just to tie in everything with the rest of the car. We also added reverse lights on there as well. You'll notice at night time, the new lights on the reverse lights are terrible. They've just recently done a new release of the 2026 facelift. Hopefully they're a little bit brighter than that, but we'll see. Let's go inside the car because we've done some extensions in the inside as well. So you've got an ambient light extension kit on the car, which if we switch the lights off, you'll be able to see a little bit better. But you don't get any factory standard ambient light in the rear of the car, so it's nice because you've got kids. Yep. It's nice to have that on there. If anything like my daughters, they always change the colours and they always want pink or they want purple. Yeah. So towards the front and throughout the vehicle, we've also changed the bolts as well. So it's a nice little look on there. The black and the gold works really, really well. It does. So it's a whole 8 3-piece kit. So literally nearly any bolts that are visible have now been changed to gold. So I'll just turn the lights on for you so you can see this sequence we've got as well. There we go.
Very nice.
Very Night Rider, very cool. Not only on the light package and all the other accessories we've done on the car as well, we've done wheel spaces as well. So you've already got nice wheels. Most people choose and spec up a 5-spoke on there anyway. The wheel space just allow for a better stance and it just sits a lot nicer as well. So you've gone for 25 mils on both the front and also the rear. So it sits really nicely now and just packs out those arches a little bit better. So you've added the extended wheel arches, which already makes the car visibly look a little bit thicker, a little bit stancier anyway. So the wheels just come out a little bit, just make it icing on the cake. And of course you have the LED side vents on the side as well, which light up with all the lights as soon as you press the ignition. So pod lights are simple off and on. So you have 2 remotes on there as well, so if you lose one or if you want to keep one spare, nice and easy to have. And these are capable up to 60 metres as well. So I see you registered for our Defender gathering, which we're running on the 17th of August as well. So if you park your car there and you lose your car and all the other Defenders that are there, you'll be able to pick up your one out of the rest. So nice. And then in the back of the car, you have your new light.
Nice.
So these are colour changeable as well. So it's a V3, one of our newest LED boot space lights we do. You can change how bright they are, and you can also change the colour from white to orange or yellow. Obviously that's for if you take the car out camping or anything and you're in and out of the car at night. Bugs are more attracted to white light than they are different colours. So that's why it's really good to have a different colour on there as well. What is the favourite thing that we've done?
Wow. It's really transformed the whole look of it.
Yeah.
I mean, I might be another one of those people that says the lighting, because it grabs you. We had a sneak peek as we drove past, and the gate was a little bit open, and we saw the lower lights and the pod lights and all of that on.
Yeah.
It just looks somehow more aggressive, more practical. But that said, on a day-to-day when you're inside the car, those gold bolts. Just change it, don't they? It's really, really nice. I mean, you've got a very nice looking car. It's definitely built for a process now, or for a purpose. You've got family, so you've got expedition there if you need to take it out, put anything in the roof rack. It's nice and handy to have, and it's a big car. So, it is.
Yeah, nice and handy.
The plan is to get one of those roof tents up on top, and actually use this car like Land Rover kind of.
Yep, like they intended it.
Exactly.
Definitely. Right, well, I'll give you the keys. Thank you very much for coming.
Thank you, sir.
And if you've got any questions on any of the products, just let us know.
Wonderful.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Cheers. So there you go, guys. That is the end of today's video. I hope you've enjoyed watching this video. If you're interested in any products you've seen in the video today, please get in contact with our sales team. And as always, guys, don't forget to like, follow, subscribe, and hit that bell notification to stay up to date with what we're doing here at Hunters. See you on the next video.